get started today, I wanted to mention two things. First, I really appreciate the silent reading today. So far that was the best day. I want all our days to look like that. Reading is very important. Remember, Northbrook has a literacy push. That means we want you to be reading every single day. That's why you read 30 minutes every day for your homework and in here. So I got you three points for that, starting off the class. Awesome. Update on the visionary bowl. You're a little behind. That's okay. We can catch up. I'm rooting for y'all today. I know this period can beat today, can win today. All right?
Can beat today?
Sorry, can beat blue and green. That's what I meant. Can win today. So let's rack up those points today. And Ms. Parker, who's sitting in the back, told me yesterday that the 6th grade is already winning the Accelerator Reader competition between the grades. Surprise, there's a competition between 6th, 7th, and 8th grade for whoever can read the most words, right? So, that means that you, whenever you get a chance, whenever you finish that book, go straight to the back to the computers. Sorry, I had to raise your hand and ask me first. But go straight to the back of the computers and take that quiz, okay? Rack up those words so the 8th grade doesn't get embarrassed, right? Because the 8th graders should be reading those big books, those hard books that have a lot of words. And if not, whatever books work, right? All books have words. Those words accumulate. Okay. Today, I want to introduce you to Miss White.
Whoa.
Miss White, this is Miss White. Miss White is, or was, my 8th grade ELA teacher. Yeah, she is still currently teaching back in Florida, but she was until I got her permission to put a picture up here. Maybe. It's fine. Yes, Jamie.
How old is she?
I'm not sure. She has a grandson, so she's probably in her 60s or 70s. So the reason I'm showing you this, we're silent and all eyes are up here. Okay. The reason I'm showing you this is because in 8th grade, the only class that I remember, the only lessons that I remember in her class is the pronouns and antecedents lesson. We're going to learn about pronouns and antecedents. But the class was a little boring, not like Mr. Lopez. But the only reason I remember that pronouns and antecedents lesson is because she brought her dog in that day.
Are you going to bring your dog in?
The dog will be like,
Remember, if you have a comment or a question, raise your hand. But I do have a dog at home. It's not my dog, it's my roommate's dog. But I don't know if Mr. Jones would allow us. If he does, maybe one of these days I'll bring
yeah, for sure.
Marco.
I don't know my dog back.
So she brought that dog in, and dogs are actually used as like relaxation in college. Whenever there's like exam week, they bring dogs in and puppies in for the students to play because people are all stressed. And if you play with dogs, you probably are less stressed after you play with that dog because puppies are great. So she brought in her dog, and I loved the pronouns and antecedents mostly because of the dog. But pronouns and antecedents are extremely important too. The other thing we did in her class that I really remember is we actually wrote a book. It's like a small book, and we like published it and stuff and binded it and stuff like that. So I asked my dad to ship it from Florida, so next week I should have like a book that I actually wrote in 8th grade.
You wrote?
Yeah, it's like really short. It's like about some kid in Colombia that gets into some trouble. But I'll definitely bring that in next week and show y'all. And I'll show you that in 8th grade I had issues writing with pronouns and antecedents. Because writing is extremely important, as is reading and speaking, right? It's all connected, and if we want to speak correctly, we want to write correctly, we want to read correctly, we have to know grammar, which is our Wednesday's lesson, always. So, anybody have questions on this White or anything?
Where's she from?
I think she's from like Montana, but she definitely lives in Florida right now. Okay, silently, or sorry, in your presentation voice, will you read for me the first goal for today, Raven,
What is
nice and loud.
What is VW?
Oh, right, sorry. V is visionary.
Okay. Visionaries will be able to identify the antecedent of indefinite and interrogative pronouns.
Cool. Read for me the second goal for today, Isaac, nice and loud.
Visionaries will be able to edit sentences to make sure indefinite, interrogative, and nominative pronouns agree.
Good. Bunch of words. Today we're going to learn about indefinite, interrogative, and nominative pronouns. 3 types of pronouns. And then we're going to learn about what the antecedent is. Has to do with pronouns. And then we're going to edit some sentences from some stories that we're going to read, some short stories. So, what is a pronoun? What is a pronoun? Read for me what a pronoun is. Raven, nice and
A
loud.
pronoun is a word that replaces a noun.
Right. Yeah, the pronoun is not a professional noun. Right? This baby thought it was professional. It's fine. Natalie, read for me really quickly the second bullet point here.
Oh, pronouns are used to prevent repetition.
Right. When we're speaking and when we're writing, when we're using nouns, right, we don't want to always repeat the noun that we're writing about and we're talking about. So we use pronouns. So examples of pronouns are like he, she, who. We'll go over some lists. So we're going to separate those in what the types are. What's up? Yes, sir. So the first, oops. Sorry. So, the 3 types of pronouns. Read for me one more time. Christian, read for me the 3 different types.
Nominative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and indefinite pronouns.
Yeah. So, nominative pronouns. Nominative pronouns. Nominative pronouns are pronouns that replace a proper noun. Okay? They are doing the action / verb in a sentence. What is a proper noun? What's a proper noun, Sebastian? Huh? So these are examples of nominative pronouns. But what is a proper noun? Nominative pronouns replace a proper noun. What is a proper noun? So what's a noun? Silently raise your hand. What's a noun? Yes, Jamie. Sure. What's an example? So Wendy's is a place, right? What's another example of a noun? A person, right? So place, person, and thing. A noun. Person, place, or thing. A proper noun is a noun like Northbrook Middle School. Northbrook Middle School is a name, right? It's a noun, it's a place. But whenever you write Northbrook Middle School, it's capitalized. Stool, you don't capitalize the first word of stool unless it's the first word in the sentence, right? Yes, Rick?
But it's a thing.
It's a thing, right, it's a noun, but it's not a proper noun. So,
What if you name that?
if you name the stool, want to name the stool?
No.
I'll name a stool.
Steve.
God.
This stool is now named Steve.
Steve!
Say hi, everybody.
What's that wrong?
Hi, Steve.
Alright,
It's
we're gonna-
Wendy's. I call it Wendy's.
This is now a proper noun, right? Steve is a proper noun because it's a name. Now, nominative pronouns replace proper nouns. These are examples. I, you, he, she, it, they, and we.
He hit him.
Any questions on nominative pronouns? Okay. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns answers a question. Okay? They are what, which, who, whose, and whom. Okay? There's 5. Yes, Mom. Okay. And indefinite pronouns. Read for me the definition of an indefinite pronoun. Jamie, go ahead.
A pronoun that
Does not refer.
Xavier, we're sadly trying. Okay.
does not refer to a specific slash they are general and large.
Vague.
Oh, vague.
Yeah, vague.
Vague.
What?
Vague.
Good, good, vague. Yeah, they're vague, they're general. Vague means like, what does vague mean? Anybody know? Yeah, vague.
Like, not specific.
Right, not specific,
When-
something like you can't really, so like all. When I say all of you, right, that's vague. Some of you might not be doing something. All of you are looking at me right now. Good. So, these are the indefinite pronouns. There's a lot, right? But it's basically whenever you're referring to something in general, not specific thing. Okay. So those are the 3 types of pronouns. What are the 3 types of pronouns? What's the first one? First one.
Nominative.
Nominative. Second one, Melanie. What's the second one? Interrogative, yes. And then the third one? We haven't gotten there yet. What's the third one?
All made that one.
So we got nominative, nominative, interrogative, and indefinite.
Okay.
Definite is the third one. So the antecedent is the word or phrase or clause that a pronoun refers to. Okay? This is a meme here. Everyone does not simply use a pronoun. Thank you for responding. So an example. Example doesn't matter because it makes it better. Example 1. 8th graders should work hard during the school year so that they can attend spring trip. This is not only very true.
What is it?
Okay. So we're all tracking up here on the screen. Okay, all eyes on the screen. Isaac's eyes are up here. Christian's eyes are up here. Jamie's eyes are up here. Joe's eyes are up here. So 8th graders should work hard during the school year so that they can attend spring trip. They is the pronoun. 8th graders, they refer to 8th graders, so 8th graders is the antecedent. Right? Simple as that. This sentence could also read, 8th graders should work hard during the school year so that 8th graders can attend spring trip. That's repetitive. That's why we have pronouns, so you can not say 8th graders twice. 8th graders is the antecedent here. Any questions on why 8th graders is the antecedent? One more example. My mother found oranges in the fridge. Each of them had grown mold. This is disgusting, but it's fine. Each refers to the oranges. Oranges. Oranges is the antecedent. Okay. Cool. Let's get to practice. Right now, on your paper, you have 4 questions, 1 through 4. You're going to look at the underlined pronoun on the sentence. Okay? Each sentence has an underlined pronoun. And you're going to write either whether it's nominative or indefinite. Nominative or indefinite. And then write the antecedent. What is the pronoun referring to on the lines? Okay? Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, Simon. We'll be right there. Right there. Nominative. Replaces a proper noun. Examples are I, you, he, she, it, they, we. Go ahead and write that down on the margin of your paper.
What do you put inside
Oh, not too early. Right, nominative replaces a proper noun. I'm sure you got that on your margin. Indefinite is a pronoun that does not refer to a specific thing, right? It doesn't replace a proper noun. It's just vague, like all, anything, few. Now, go ahead and take 2 minutes, use a partner. In your partner voices, fill out whether the underlying pronoun is indefinite or nominative, and then find the antecedent. Go. Is there a way to combine another so the antecedent? So, what's the type of? What is another? We can't find my friends or another. Is there a way? What is another? So the antecedent.
So you're right.
So, what is they reflecting? Who's they?
Oh.
No, wait. Mix that up? No. Well, if we're just here.
Oh, no.
Well, no.
Justin.
Would you sue?
Jason.
Yes.
Okay, let's come back in 20 seconds.
Nominative
I.
You do not want to.
Okay, let's bring it back in 3. Eyes on me in 3. Voices off in 2. Let's come back in 1. I need voices 0 at a level 0 and eyes on me. Isaac's eyes are on me. Madison's eyes are on me. Sanitizer on me. Put your head up. All right, number 1, Justin rides his bike home every afternoon. As a result, he is a healthy 8th grader. What is the type of pronoun in this sentence, Xavier? What's the type of pronoun in this sentence? Nominative, yeah, good. Nominative, why? Why is it nominative?
It's like, where do we go?
Sure. Do your best. Go ahead. How about Xavier? Why is he not a nominative pronoun in this sentence? Huh?
You said Xavier.
Xavier. Daniel. So in the sentence, Justin rides his bike home every day. As a result, he is a healthy 8th grader. Why is he a nominative pronoun like Xavier said? What makes a pronoun nominative?
It's something.
Raymond.
If it is the word I, you, he, it, they, and
And what do all those pronouns do? What do they refer to? Huh?
proper noun.
Proper noun, yeah. It refers to a proper noun. He is referring to Justin, which is a proper noun, therefore makes it nominative. What's the antecedent, Isaac? What's the antecedent? Justin. Justin is a proper noun, therefore
Proper noun?
the noun is antecedent. Yeah, your name is a proper noun, Justin. Number 2, can you read for me number 2? Christian, nice and loud. We're all tracking Christian.
Come on, front. Oh, I can't find my backpack. Is there a way I can buy your backpack?
Cool, what's the type of pronoun?
Oh, still?
Sure.
Okay. Yes,
Indefinite, good. And the antecedent?
Backpack.
Backpack. Another is referring to the backpack, therefore it is the antecedent. Okay, quickly. Number 3, Raven.
After a year of teaching, Mr. Gonzalez had decided that he really likes teaching 8th graders. Though unpredictable sometimes, they have a lot of heart.
Type and antecedent?
Nominative and 8th graders.
Good. Nominative and 8th graders, number 3. Make sure you have the correct answers on your paper. And number 4, Hillary. What's the type? Nominative, good. And the antecedent?
Which one are we
What is it?
on?
Number 4.
Stranger.
Miss Johnson. So number 4, it is nominative and the antecedent is Miss Johnson. Miss Johnson. Okay? The pronoun is what? She is referring to Miss Johnson. Okay. Now in your partner voices, go ahead and read that this story about be a part of the solution. Read with your partner really quickly that story and answer the 4 questions that are on the next page.
Oh, Mr. Lopez.
Okay, so move on. Move on. What's what? Yes, sir. I won't call you more Spanish.
Yeah, no.
Wow, you
You know the Miami Dolphins lost the other day?
Sunday's right around the corner.
Zero wins, four losses.
You're gonna work, right?
organization encourages people to donate.
Manufacturers.
No, she looks like this girl. She looks like this girl. Ferrari. I remember my
You didn't keep working.
I think right at the first semester you came here, you worked this one over.
What?
No, this one, yes.